Good morning everyone, this is Iosif, analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 25th of July. US President Trump is to meet with European Commission President Juncker later today in Washington. The meeting is expected to focus on the US tariffs on steel and aluminium, as well as their extension to European cars. The main aim of President Juncker is expected to be a de-escalation of trade tensions between the two large economies. Analysts state that a potential escalation could hurt the risk sentiment of the market for the USD, not only against Europe but against JPY as well. EUR-USD remained in a sideways movement as analyzed yesterday, well between the boundaries of 1.1745 resistance line and the 1.1640 support line. We could see some relatively increased volatility on the pair today should the Trump-Juncker meeting display progress. However, currently we retain our sideways bias. Technically, it would be evident to note that the RSI indicator in the 4-hour chart remained near the reading of 50, implying an indecisive market. Should the bulls lead the charge in the pair's direction, we could see it breaking the 1.1745 resistance line and aim for the 1.1830 resistance hurdle. Should, on the other hand, the bears be in the driver's seat, we could see the pair breaking the 1.1640 support line and aim for the 1.1580 support barrier. On the other side of the channel, Theresa May announced yesterday that she will lead the Brexit negotiations with the Secretary for exiting EU deputizing on her behalf. The announcement practically relegates the Brexit department and was perceived by analysts as a move towards a softer Brexit. Analysts also see the case for Theresa May's EU advisor Robbins to gain more influence over the Brexit negotiations and play a key role. The pound strengthened upon the news, and should there be more headlines indicating further consolidation of the UK political scene, we could see the sterling getting further support. Cable rose yesterday, testing the 1.3160 resistance line, however without any success in breaking it. We could see the pair continue its sideways movement, maybe with some bearish tendencies, as the 1.3160 resistance level proved to be strong. Should the pair come under selling interest, we could see the cable aiming, if not breaking, the 1.3050 support line. On the other hand, should the market favor the long positions, we could see the pair breaking the 1.3160 resistance line and aim for the 1.3270 resistance zone. In today's other economic highlights, in the European session, we get Germany's Ifo business climate and current conditions indicators for July, while in the American session, we get the new home sales figure for June and the EIA crude oil inventories figure. Please note that oil didn't have much of a reaction to the release of yesterday's AP weekly crude oil stocks drawdown of minus 3.17 million barrels. For further information, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or search us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Iosif from IronFX, wishing you solid trading.